Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new here. I said that backwards. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. I'm Tisha. I got this PR package from Modelones, so I will be doing a little review, first impressions, unboxing video today, and I'm really excited. I've never used this product before. If you like these type of videos, if you like nail content, all things nails, work with me, reviews, tutorials, all that good stuff, like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Also, turn on your post notifications so that whenever I post, you are notified. Now let's have some fun. Let's create something awesome. And thank you, Modelones, for this really cool kit. All right, guys. So this is the kit that was sent to me by Modelones, and we're gonna unbox it together. So basically, it lets you know how to use it. That's pretty cool. How to prepare your nail and also how to apply the extension. So that's helpful. I've never used Polygel before, so like I said, this is new for me as well. I'm really excited. And then we have all of these really pretty colors. I've seen these being used all over Instagram, and to be honest with you, they look pretty, simple to use. How cute is this? I really like that a UV lamp is included. For someone who is not a nail tech, that doesn't do their nails on a regular basis, you can buy this kit and you'll have everything that you need. Pretty sure this is a brush. Oh, it's a brush and a picker. I'm gonna open this. So they give you a brush for the Polygel. I've seen these being used in Polygel videos. And this is the spatula to place the Polygel. Cute. And very helpful. Like I said, they gave you everything that you need to actually do a full set. So we have these clamps. So that's the top coat. And then there's the base coat. Alright, y'all, so the rest of this video will be me just doing a nail with the Polygel kit, and I will let you know my first impressions and what I thought about it. But I do start with the prep, making sure the nail bed is clean, getting rid of those cuticles, as well as dusting over the nail with my fine grit sanding band. And then from there, I'm going to apply a tip and get started. I know that there are forms included with the Polygel kit, but I've never used them before, and for my first time, I just wanted to use something that I'm familiar with. So I decided to use a long non-C curve straight tip. I started the Polygel nail using the clear Polygel. I dipped it in the slip solution, as you can see in my dampen dish. And at this point, I'm really just trying to figure it out. I've never used this product before, like I said, so I'm trying to decide what is better method of applying the Polygel, whether that be swiping it or patting it. At this point, I have not figured it out yet, as you can see, but I'm patting it and swiping it just to see what happens. I did make sure to use the lamp that was included with the kit just to make sure that it works, so that I can let you guys know that it does work. It is a 60-second timed UV lamp, and it dried the Polygel with no problem. Now I'm going in with that clear Polygel with the glitter in it. It's so pretty to me. I love the reflective glitter. in this Polygel. The other colors are really pretty too. Like, I really love the pinks and the browns that are included. I feel like they're really natural looking, and I do look forward to doing a full set of nails with one of those colors. At this point, I had figured that patting the Polygel was the best solution for me, and it was working. So obviously, like I said, this is my first time. So if you guys that have been using Polygel have any tips or tricks, I'm open to all constructive criticism, tips, tricks. Let me know, because I want to be able to use Polygel in the future. I really like it. It's not too thick. It's very movable, as you can see, and I enjoyed it. For my first time, I'm not mad at this at all. I really just liked the glitter in this Polygel, so I decided to do sort of a glitter ombre. I did go ahead and stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds to make sure it was fully cured, and then I put on the clear Polygel so that I could encapsulate it. At this point, I've been able to get the nail completely encapsulated, and I cured it. I really like how clear the clear Polygel is. I know you guys know what I mean, but when you're laying acrylic, sometimes it does not always come out super clear. Either that or you have bubbles in it. So I did like that it was very low effort to get the Polygel to be clear, and it looks really good. You can see straight through this nail if it weren't for the glitter. So now I'm just filing the nail, making sure that it's the shape that I like, and going over with the sanding band to make sure that it's really smooth and nice for the design. For this design, I did decide to go with a gingerbread man in the spirit of the holidays. I wanted to do something festive, and when I thought of that, the gingerbread man was the first thing that came to my mind. So I will let you guys watch me put the gingerbread man on the nail, and I will be back. This design was so easy and so cute. It literally did not take a lot of effort at all. And last but not least, I'm putting the snow on there to make it look even more festive and cute. Make sure you cure that for 60 seconds as well. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me this package so that I was able to do this review for you guys. I hope you like these kind of videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.